Hello everyone, welcome back to our podcast. I'm Ananya and I'm really excited to have you all here today.
Hi guys, this is Rahul and today we're going to talk about something very important and very common.
Yes, today's topic is Tell me about yourself.
This question sounds simple, but many people feel nervous when someone asks it, especially in interviews, colleges, meetings, or even first introductions.
So in this podcast, we'll help you understand how to introduce yourself confidently.
Let's start with why people ask this question.
Good point. Interviewers, teachers, or even new friends ask this to understand your personality, confidence, and communication skills.
Exactly. They don't want your life story. They just want a clear and confident introduction.
And trust me, first impression really matters.
One common mistake is giving too much personal information.
Yes, like talking about family problems or very long stories.
Another mistake is memorizing lines and sounding robotic.
Your introduction should sound natural, not like a speech. Now let's talk about the perfect structure.
You can divide your introduction into three simple parts.
Hello, my name is Ananya. I'm currently a college student pursuing a degree in business management.
I have completed my graduation last year and I have basic experience in communication and teamwork.
I'm very passionate about learning new skills and I'm looking forward to growing personally and professionally. Now I'll give you a complete example. Hello, my name is Ananya. I'm from Delhi and I'm currently a final year student. I'm very interested in communication and personal development. In my free time, I enjoy reading books and listening to podcasts. I'm always eager to learn new things and improve myself.
Now here's a boy's version. Hi, my name is Rahul. I have recently completed my graduation. I consider myself a positive and hardworking person. I enjoy teamwork and learning from new experiences. My goal is to build a successful career and grow with confidence.
Remember, confidence is more important than perfect English.
Practice daily, speak slowly, and believe in yourself.
If you liked today's podcast, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe us.
Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode.